everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Shabita Kotak and I'm a health and well-being coach. I help people live a healthier, happier life physically, mentally and spiritually. And today what I'm going to go through is how to survive Febfast. This time of the year, you probably overindulged over Christmas and New Year on alcohol and you want to have a little bit of a break. Well, I've been doing Febfast. I started in September, so it's been about 5 months since I haven't drank. And it's not an easy thing to do, but as I've progressed, it's got easier for me. Anyway, so I'm going to share with you what's helped me along this journey of not drinking for a time period. So yours could be February, the month of February. So the number one thing that's helped is I decided to make that commitment to myself. And I also wrote down why I wanted to stop drinking for that time period. And my decision was I just wanted to have give myself a break from alcohol and get reset on my health and fitness. So that was one of the reasons, and the tips is ask yourself why you want to do this. Tip number 2 would be share that with your partner or who is around you, and tell somebody that you're around every day to keep you motivated and on track. They don't necessarily have to do Febfast with you, but if you tell them to keep you motivated and use them to be accountable to, and also tell them that try to motivate you not to drink in a situation when there's drinks available and you don't want to drink. Tip number 2, trick other people around you when you're at a party or bar by having and being creative with non-alcoholic drinks. For example, what I do is I have kombucha in a champagne glass and it looks like champagne, and it tricks people around me that I'm drinking alcohol, so I don't have to deal with the constant, oh, why aren't you drinking, what's happened, are you giving it up? I don't want to have to go and repeat that story again. So if I'm in an environment where I can control, I take my kombucha and put it in a champagne glass. If I'm in a restaurant or a bar, I'd order soda water or tonic water minus the vodka or whatever, and it looks like I'm drinking a normal alcoholic drink. And after you've drank, everybody's had a couple of drinks, they don't really care about whether you're drinking or not. They're having a good time and they're into themselves, basically. Tip number 4 would probably be reward yourself, because you save so much money. So reward yourself weekly. Say, okay, every week I don't drink, I'm going to do X to reward myself. For me, I might go for a massage one week, or I might go and have a pedicure the week after, and that way I've got incentives to continue the not drinking. And tip number 5, put that money away where you would have paid for drinks. So every time I go out to a restaurant, I might have a couple of glasses of wine, which will be $20, $30. So I put that $20, $30 in a jar, so at the end of the week I've got that money to spend on me, and I know I've actually not spending any extra money than my normal day-to-day life, because that would be the money I've been spending on drink, and instead of that I'm going to use it on something to nurture myself. So those are the 5 tips that I've used to help myself stop drinking for a period of time. So let me know what's worked for you and how you've motivated yourself to cut back on the alcohol or eliminate alcohol for a period of time. I'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and share with anybody else that wants to hear. Thanks for watching. Bye.